Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my video. This part is going to be dangerous, so just be careful. The spring clamps are going to be under a lot of pressure. Right now what I'm going to do is compress the springs. I don't know if you can see it, but I lined two up, one on each side, one here, one on this side. I'm going to tighten this side a little bit and tighten this other side, and then go back and forth to tighten this spring. Lift this up. So this is a Sachs. This is a Sachs model number 36-A97-A. And basically I compressed the springs and got the bolt out, so I'm just going to remove the parts, components, and then there is like a slot right there. You can put a screwdriver in, and then put in the slot, and then you can get a hammer and then just knock it out. This should pop out, but the thread here is warped, so I have to just cut the end. Professionals use specialized equipment to prevent the strut from moving around. So if you have problems with it rolling around, here's a tip. Just use a small screwdriver and wedge it into this slot to prevent movement. I didn't use this technique, and was one of the reasons why the T50 counterbolt was actually stripped. Pop this out. It should come off. You can pop the spring out. Pop the end. Also, we have this rubber right here, which should pop out, but it's pretty old and worn, but I didn't buy a replacement, so I'll just use this one. Let's see. We should just be able to pop it. And then this is the old one. Slip it in. Put the spring in. There's a little slot right there where the spring is actually supposed to go in, set in. Put this in. Cover. Use a T50 Torx to counter while tightening the bolt. Now that's in place, I'm going to slowly release the springs. There we go. Just pop it into the slot, and then there's again the mark right there where you're supposed to put it in. Once you release it a little bit, you can just pop it into this the housing right here, right there where the spring ends. It should slot in right into the place, and then you can release the rest of it all the way. Then you can pop out your spring clamps. And then you're ready to go. There is actually another step that you're supposed to do. You're supposed to put on the ABS sensor bracket. Next, I'm going to take out the ABS sensor bracket and mount it over here. What you want to do is get a knockout punch, and then hold on. You see how these plastic pieces pop up right here? No.
Thank you.
Just pop it in. And then just okay, one side is done. And then fast forward number 2. And that's basically how you take apart and reassemble the strut. Please leave a comment below, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe.